A man sits at a poker table. He looks at his cards. They're really bad. He gets frustrated. He feels unlucky. In his mind, he keeps complaining. Why do I always get bad cards? Gradually, his anger grows. He loses his focus and he loses the game. Most people think life is like chess, an identical board, identical pieces, perfect information. They think you can control everything. But life is more like poker. Everyone starts with different cards. Luck is real, and it's not the same for everyone. You might be dealt bad cards, and yes, that's truly frustrating, but complaining doesn't change the hand. Worse than that, it does something else. It drains your energy, it steals your focus, and it pulls you away from the few moves that still matter. Even with bad cards, you can still win in poker. Professionals know this well. The cards matter, but the decisions matter more. Life is poker, not chess. You can't control your cards, but you can control your decisions, and over time, it's those decisions that add up and create the outcome. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and let's win at life together.